There's something bigger there, guys. Oh shit.
It's an island. Boy. Yeah. Wagwan. You don't know it's island boy, Africa. Yesterday, guys. So today, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I'm definitely out on a fishing adventure. You see me? So yeah, I'm at this beach called Shelly Beach. You see me? So I'm fishing in front of Shelly front, you know. You see me? And thing. You see it? So yeah, be a big wave, a splash and all of that, but we're gonna see what it's like fishing out here. Yeah, man. Waves over there waving. You guys won't be able to see her at the moment because yeah, obviously I don't have a zoom. But yeah, as you guys can see the beach, a big wave, a splash, but it's a calm day still. You know, not too bad. If you look beyond the waves, you see the water calm, you see it. So, you see I can catch something out of the rough, you know? Yeah man, so stick around. By the way, I use a bigger fishing rod. I may have some bait, I have some prawns and I have some fish bait. Yeah, so I have that rig up already. Just gonna put on the bait now and see what I go on. So let's go now. We're on the road. Alright, so here we go, guys. Woo. It's a bit scary out here, you know? See me about me, I try something, you know? So here we go. Probably may have to put on a heavier weight. Wave them up pulling up. They make you think say a fish up on the line. Oh, I think I just got a bite though. That's definitely not the wave. Yeah, I'm getting bite. Oh, fish on. Fish on. It's a small one though. Oh shit. Shit. There's something bigger there, guys. Oh shit. What? Shit. I don't know if you guys just saw that. Something bigger, just literally. Let me show you guys. I was pulling in this fish a while ago. Look at that. While I was pulling the fish in, I saw a big fish a while ago to stake this. Literally. No, so I'm going to put on a bigger hook. I swear. Sure no. We have to rig up a bigger hook. That's something massive, I just see. I'm going to try the same fish bait, but with a bigger hook, and see if I find whatever just cut him. Let's go. Oh dear.
Right now I'm a bit confused of what I should use. I've never actually caught a fish on a lure before, guys, so I'm a bit confused. I don't know what kind of fish that was, but it definitely chop off of the fish. So let's see if I'll actually have any luck on the lure. Just trying something, guys. I don't know. See if it will actually pick up. Oh no, the lure is a bit light. What you guys reckon I should do? It's not going anywhere. No, I think I missed him, man. Where the hell he gone to now? Alright, so I guess that fish is gone about its business. So I'm just gonna go back to normal fishing with my prawns and then see what happens again, alright? So stick around. Right now, while I go in, I saw a drone in front of me. That's Babes right there, guys. Wagwan! Fish on, guys. What kind of fish is this? I don't know. Woo! This look like some kind of parrot. Am I even recording? I don't know. Oh yes, I'm recording. Oh wow, this is a parrot. What? This is definitely some species of parrot. Yeah, if you know, in the comment section, let me know. Beautiful fish though. Let me see if it's the same type that I just catch. This one looks a bit different. Yeah, I think this one, or is it the same? I'm a bit confused. Oops. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but yeah, that's a beautiful fish, guys. Wow. I'm excited because I've never catch this kind of species out here yet. It's mainly brim I always be catching, and then that big fish that pick up on this just makes me even more excited. This to me is the best spot so far that I've fished because of that, because I've never actually caught or even seen a big fish pick up on my line really. So this, yeah, I feel good. I think I'm getting a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, fish on. Shit, the line stuck. There was a fish on, but the line just got stuck. So to get the line loose now is a problem. The fish is definitely still on. I can feel it. No joke. Bust him off, guys. Bust him off, guys. Let me get back my hook. Let me get back my hook and sinker. Oh, the hook straighten a bit though. Ah, here we go. Fishing in Australia. Yardman King. Want a big one, I know. Oh, has the line drop? Oh, no, that's not a fish. My freaking line got stuck again. Shit. These rocks, man. These rocks are the most bad right now. Jano. That's the thing when you're fishing in rocks, rocky area. That's the sad part about it. Yeah, so the whole thing gone now. Go rig up again. Don't tell me then take off my bait already. No, sir. Assault my salt or what? As I feel too little bite my line itch again, man. Oh, they're hard today. I swear my peeps, may have to come back at this spot. I like it so far. Good old Shelly beach, you know. I think I have something on, but it's pretty small. It's a small one. You can tell, so it's definitely like some rockfish you'll catch here as well. This looks similar to a fish we have in Jamaica called rackines. It's definitely rackines. Yeah. I ages me have to catch that fish too. But if you can't remember from memory, that's a rackines fish look. Yeah, so that's it right there. Beautiful wife here and my little and some sun, Bubba.
Hi guys.
Yeah,
Battery almost dead.
Yeah, and
did you catch anything?
I caught, the funny thing is, I caught the first cast I made. I caught this fish, babe.
Stand here, Bobo.
I caught this small fish, I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
But while I was bringing in the fish,
yeah,
something bigger latched onto that fish.
Really?
Yeah, and cut it in half.
Wow.
Yeah, I think I caught it on camera anyway. You know?
Yeah, have him at the...
Yeah.
It's a bit cold now, the water.
Oh yeah?
David's coming, but yeah.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking you should try fishing in there.
Yeah, it's just the rocks because a couple times my line got hitched. Yeah. But yeah, I caught a fish look like parrot. I was saying it's parrot actually.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm gonna bring it up and show you because the rocks.
It's a bit rocky there.
Yeah, it's very
see,
rocky.
Bobo can't come here. Drink this first.
Oh yes. Hi, Bobo. Where are you going? Where? No. Can he wet himself? You have more clothes there? More clothes there for him?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's nice and warm here.
Yeah, it's actually not bad. Oh, why? It's actually cold here. Yeah, but it's a beautiful day though. Yeah, Itchy Boss right here. As you can see, just changed location. So, gonna fishing down by the rocks. Right at the sunny area. You know what I mean? So, hopefully I won't get too many each here. Yeah, so, and let's see what we can catch here, alright? So stick around, stay tuned. Let's go now. And we have little Bubba here. Hi. Say hi. They always get trouble. Follow mom. Woo! The waves them massive. This gonna make me get cool, you know. Oh shit! Ah! What just happened? Oh, I forgot. Oh! Should I forgot? I forgot to turn on the bell shit. Woo! Forgot this. Alright, here we go again, guys. Woo!
out there. The rocks. Woo! Nah, the rocks. Bloody hell. Yeah. No way. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so at this point I'm running out of sinker. So I don't want to run the risk too much now. Just want to catch something else. Or a few more and that would be good. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Woo. Fish on. What kind of fish is this? Ah. It is small. It's a small parrot, guys. Woo. Look at that. It's a small parrot fish. Recording still. Oh, yeah, still recording. Just caught a small parrot. Gonna show you guys up close and personal. Woo! The small ones there, that means bigger one are out there, you know. This is what it looks like. There you go, guys. Nice to the parrot fish. Beautiful colors. I don't know what kind of parrot I don't know what kind of parrot it is, you know, the species of parrot, but yeah. I'm gonna throw him back in the water, guys. This one is a bit small. I don't know the size limit, but here we go. Alright guys, so the fishing is over. So me and babes and little Bobo I go all a little swim.
Yeah.
And
you really come prepared, but
yeah. Me I worry about the water because it must cool, you know. See me I say? Yeah man, but
yeah.
go all a little swim. Oh, that's her.
Yeah. Come on, babes. Nice footage, man. 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not. Come on, let's go. You ready?
Guys, I'm tired.
Salt. And this one, ready? Not this one. Not this one.
Yeah.
This one. Yes, sir. Oh shit. Oh, it's filming. Let's go. You want to swim a bit more? Yeah. You good?
One. Oh shit, that hit high. Yeah. Woo! Got the wave. Oh shit! No big one. Oh shit! Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Yeah man, so didn't really catch much, but this spot is well worth it. As you guys can see, definitely got a big bite on it. Didn't really latch on properly, but you know what I mean, it was a fun day. You know, had a little swim and thing, so yeah, so we're going to do what now, you see me. So hope you enjoy watching this video. Until next time, it's Island Boy Africa. We out.